I'm Dr. Richard Friedlein. I practice in Great Neck, and I've been doing so for almost 25 years. This is a high-end practice, which means that porcelain restorations are a great part of what I do. And it used to take weeks to create larger cases. Now it takes roughly an hour with CEREC. The way this is done simply is, rather than taking impressions, we scan teeth with a camera, an infrared camera. So rather than going through the trouble of having an impression in the patient's mouth, it's simply taking a picture. Once that's done, we are able to create the restoration on a computer screen with software rather than sending it off to a lab and having a lab technician create it. This takes only a few minutes. After we're happy with what we've designed, the computer will direct a robotic mill to take a block of porcelain and carve it into a crown or a veneer or an inlay, whatever we're creating at the time. That then takes 10 minutes, and then we try it in the patient's mouth. Once we like the fit, we have a porcelain furnace, which allows us to glaze and stain and make it to look like a very beautiful restoration. Essentially, we're doing the entire procedure, which used to take weeks, in an hour.